What makes a good speech a good speech? What makes a good speech powerful? Or what makes a bad speech powerful? Lots of things to think about today. So, first of all, after completing the do now, knowledge retrieval is on the A Forest persuasive devices. I've helped you out here and I've listed some of them. In fact, I've listed all of them for you. So make sure that you copy these into your document. And then you're going to look at one more article today. In our last lesson, you looked at two articles, and here's the final one. And as promised, today's is going to focus on events that are happening as we speak. So, again, like yesterday, you've got a specific paragraph to have a look at to answer the questions. And then also, if you would just have a think about overall, do you think the events mentioned in this particular article, and you'll just click on that, that will come up to here, are violent or peaceful. So here's the article that you're going to be looking at today. There's a video you can watch along with it, but your answers are coming from these paragraphs. After completing that, I've put in a really interesting article about the 5 factors behind the UK Black Matters protests. Now, this is optional, but if you want to, click on this. It'll bring you up to this article here. It's a fast, pretty quick read. And you can see, for example, there's factor number 1. Really interesting article. And remember, if you would rather listen to it, you can always use this app up here, the Natural Reader app, or extension, I should say. Task 3, back to what everyone needs to do. Using yesterday's lesson and what you've done today, answer these questions. You can answer them in bullet points. And this is all about your opinion, but based on the research that you've done. So you have 3 questions here to just answer, a few bullet points, and then a pause for thought. So a lot of this unit is going to be you coming up with your own opinions and really thinking about things. So there are 2 questions here. This one, have you ever experienced or witnessed inequality? Or how does discussing inequality make you feel and why? Please note that you're not going to have to share your answers with everyone. You're only going to share with your teacher. You can write in as much detail as you'd like. And as I'm asking you to kind of answer these questions, I thought I would share a little bit about what I would share with you if I was teaching you in person. So I've answered the questions, and if you'd like to have a little look there, you can read about my experience. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Hope you learned something, and I hope you engage with it and enjoy it too. Bye.